Hi, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is aircraft, a B2 level noun that refers to a vehicle that flies in the air. Yes, it's a simple yet powerful word that opens up conversations about travel, technology, and even adventure. Let's dive into its meaning and explore how it can be used in our everyday language. The word aircraft is unique because it doesn't change in its plural form. Whether we're talking about one aircraft or several aircraft, the word stays the same. It encompasses airplanes, helicopters, gliders, and even hot air balloons. For example, you might say, "The aircraft landed smoothly despite the bad weather," or "The military deployed several aircraft for the rescue mission." Now, let's talk about some synonyms for aircraft. Words like plane, jet, airliner, and aeroplane are commonly used to describe different types of aircraft. For instance, the jet flew across the Atlantic in just 6 hours, or she always wanted to fly on a private plane. While these words can be more specific, they share the common theme of vehicles that soar through the sky. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. While aircraft refers to something that flies, its opposites would describe vehicles that remain grounded or operate in different environments, like car, boat, or train. For example, the family chose to travel by car instead of flying, or they decided to take the boat across the lake. In everyday life, we often use aircraft to discuss travel plans or transportation systems. Imagine you're at the airport and someone asks, "What type of aircraft is this?" Or "How many passengers can this aircraft carry?" It's also common in news and media when discussing aviation. For instance, the new aircraft model promises to reduce fuel consumption by 20%. Here are a few more examples of aircraft in sentences. The pilot checked the aircraft before takeoff to ensure everything was safe. This airport can handle over 100 aircraft at a time. She marveled at the sleek design of the futuristic aircraft displayed at the Aviation Expo. To sum it all up, aircraft is a versatile and essential word in the English language. It helps us describe vehicles that defy gravity and connect people across the globe. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about aircraft. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and grow their love for language. Before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word aircraft and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep exploring words and discovering their magic.
See you soon.